Hi! In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download, in this case App Store, and download your new default app. In my case it will be Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it actually, just install it, wait for it to install and go into device settings. Then go into settings, scroll down and choose apps. Over here you need to click on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I will go with browser and click on one of the available ones. In my case Opera. So now when I go back I can set my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!